Delhi, the vibrant and bustling capital city of India, is a destination that seamlessly blends rich history with modernity, creating an intriguing tapestry of culture, heritage, and contemporary life. As you step foot into this enchanting metropolis, you'll find yourself immersed in a world of diverse experiences, architectural marvels, delectable cuisine, and a unique blend of traditions. A visit to New Delhi must begin with exploring its historical treasures, such as the iconic Red Fort, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, which stands as a symbol of India's struggle for independence. Nearby, you'll discover the Jama Masjid, one of the largest mosques in India, with its stunning architecture and panoramic views from its minarets. Another architectural wonder is Humayun's tomb, an exquisite Mughal mausoleum surrounded by lush gardens, reminiscent of the Taj Mahal's grandeur. For those seeking spiritual solace, Akshardham Temple is a masterpiece of modern temple architecture, showcasing intricate carvings and a mesmerizing water show. The Lotus Temple, known for its lotus-like architecture, is an embodiment of tranquility and a haven for meditation enthusiasts. Delhi's rich history and culture are also reflected in its numerous museums and galleries, including the National Museum, the Indian Habitat Center, and the National Gallery of Modern Art, all of which house an impressive collection of art and historical artifacts. No visit to New Delhi would be complete without experiencing its vibrant street life and markets. Chandni Chowk, an ancient market area, offers a sensory overload of colors, flavors, and aromas, where you can savor delicious street food, shop for traditional Indian clothing, and explore the bustling bazaars. Nearby lies India Gate, an iconic war memorial and a popular spot for evening strolls and picnics. To delve deeper into the city's past, visit Qutub Minar, a UNESCO World Heritage Site and the world's tallest brick minaret, dating back to the 12th century. Nearby, the Marali Archaeological Park is an open-air museum with ancient tombs, stepwells, and ruins. Culinary enthusiasts will be delighted by the city's gastronomic offerings. Delhi is famous for its street food, including mouth-watering chaat, spicy kebabs, and delectable parathas. Connaught Place and Hauz Khas Village are popular dining and nightlife hubs, offering a wide range of restaurants, cafes, and bars. New Delhi's modern side shines through in its contemporary architecture, luxury hotels, and shopping malls. The DLF Emporio and Select City Walk are shopping destinations featuring both international and Indian brands. Meanwhile, the Delhi Metro makes it easy to navigate the city, connecting you to various attractions. In conclusion, New Delhi is a city that effortlessly bridges the gap between its rich historical heritage and its dynamic present. It offers a myriad of experiences, from exploring ancient monuments to indulging in mouth-watering cuisine and shopping in bustling markets. Whether you're a history buff, a foodie, a shopaholic, or simply a traveler seeking diverse cultural encounters, New Delhi is a captivating destination that promises to leave an indelible mark on your heart and mind.